UMP Keraja Sabha Jong Jylla Dr. Wanwei Roy Khaluki habakran bakilap thai Khubor ulong baka Synshar Paidbah haki rulum kaladon nadu menchua ulong ru bagi dan lakajong garukum Synshar Paidbah bat ulayo iru kumnung ijid yakis iemat kidaloi UMP Keraja Sabha ulong ru bagi Paidbah ke Jylla kim Pdiang ya culture banya Shoh ya dat hakaport election kumbalong hak Jylla West Bengal.
The people of the state will not accept. We never believe in violence. You have seen the election in West Bengal. Lot of violence. We, the people decide, we tribals, we are not like that. We, actually, I'm proud to say that if you speak of democracy, I have given a paper in Indian Council of Social Scientific Research that, the democracy is not only a Greek concept, it is a concept of our people also. We have our own concept of democracy, and I think you know very well about how we elect our SIM, how we elect our Deloitte and all this. So, for them, democracy, for us, democracy is in a seminar in 1972, in a paper in Simla. You know that our people here were right from 3rd century BC we are here. So this is the democracy that we inherit, and their democracy is, I say, is too short a period. I don't think our people will accept such culture. They will not accept such culture. We are not into that culture. I told you that democracy, its roots is deep rooted in our state. Nothing will happen.